Good morning, beautiful Okinawa, for our second time this week.
Practically the same week.
This is our official vacation, everybody. May's with us for the entire trip this time. She's driving, look at that, I'm really impressed. And Brett from Auto Shop Z, he gave us a rental Toyota Aqua hybrid. How you liking hybrid life, electric life?
It's pretty fast, actually.
Yeah, it's actually really torquey, right?
Yeah, very torquey.
Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah. She's loving life, except for the Sunday drivers out here, the paper drivers that don't know speed limits or how to drive or anything like that. She's actually a really good driver.
This person just keeps on going over the line.
Turn left.
Over the line? Yeah, you don't want to go over the line, right?
Can I go?
Hey, you tell me! Oh God, help us now. So we're in Okinawa again for our official vacation. And I'm not going to be filming too much while I'm here, probably just a couple videos here and there. We are going to be spending some time later on the abandoned S15. So keep an eye out for...
Turn right.
No, turn left, you're good. Stupid Google. We will be spending a bit of time on the S15 that's here before it gets shipped off. So keep an eye out for that video. Only one video though, but I think it's going to be a big one. Depends how things go, don't know yet. But yeah. Welcome. We're back in Okinawa. This is why May left, because we needed a vacation.
Drive.
And she wanted to drive too. The whole time she was like, oh man, all I want to do is drive around Okinawa. So...
I'm waiting for Z to just pop up.
You're waiting for a Z? She just wants to drive a Z. So if anyone has a Z in Okinawa, you make it her dream come true. Manual?
Yeah, it has to be a manual.
Yeah. People who drive automatics and only have automatic licenses are peasants, aren't they?
Yes.
Yes, that's right. I'm looking at you, Khan. So if you guys ever want to sneak onto a US base, all you have to do, it seems, is use about $2 in vinyl and write authorized on base on the back of your taxi. And you can just cruise into base. Let's go make a sticker and put it on this Prius. No, but for real, I'm sure they have to show some kind of ID. I just think that's funny. It's probably to let people know that they can catch that cab into base to then, like, get dropped off. That's probably what that's for. I don't think that lets them on base. I mean, I hope not. Otherwise, maybe the US should hire me to do security. First stop for today is we're going to the underground naval base, I think, from like World War II that the Japanese used. This looks insane. If you guys know a little bit of history about Okinawa, this is a very strategic place. It's also why there's so many US bases here. All right, so we got down to the bottom of the stairs and this looks crazy.
Can't go in.
Yeah, no, don't go that way. Whoa, this is crazy. So that was the signal room that we just saw. Look at these tunnels. It's kind of mind-blowing.
We can go through here next. Like that and then come out.
Yeah. I'm so mind-blown by the walls, like, so crazy. It's just crazy to think back, like, how they were all under here.
Operations room.
That's a small room.
Stairs. Be careful.
Obviously these stairs have all been added for the tourism factor, but this probably was just all dirt and rock. Whoa, man. Also insane. Oh yeah, is that gunfire?
Oh,
Yeah.
No, this is when they grenaded.
Oh, this is the grenade? Yeah.
That's the grenade.
That's the shrapnel from the grenade?
Yeah. Well, Riddle with hand grenade when he
Committed suicide, yeah. So when they kind of all got captured, well, they didn't get captured, but America kind of had everything, you know, secured and was moving in. All the higher up guys here, from what I understand, which is a bit interesting because I think Japanese people typically would commit suicide with senpuku.
Yeah, but they couldn't fight with katanas.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying, right? Because they had this separate little knife for that, right? If they couldn't fight, they were supposed to do that. But I don't know the situation. It's insane. A lot of crazy stuff happened in these tunnels. Oh, I just smacked my head on the roof. It's actually kind of insane to think about what went down in here. I wonder if it was all open like this or if they had like doors as well.
I think some places would have doors.
That's kind of... Old pipes from the old electrical system that used to be installed. Look at these structures and stuff. It's crazy. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's like one of the old original lights and wires, mate. That's cool. Yeah, you can see the old wire in there. The light fixture. That's what that is. It's an old light fixture. You can see the old wire that's like just
Could have
in the
been
side of the rock.
top, right?
Yeah, probably what used to be. Man, this is so like it's cool, but it feels weird to say that it's cool because of what happened here. It's just like interesting, like the history. Tunnel construction. Soil was carried outside the cave in a Japanese moko, which is the stick in the bag thing. Man. Imagine building this back in the day. All this concrete roofing's new, obviously they've done that for the tourism too.
Medic room.
Oh, the medic room? Man. That's so crazy. It's all been reinforced here too. Survivors of the battle remember seeing numerous casualties in this area, so it's likely that this is the tunnel medical facility. Oh, so they're not 100% sure. You can see where they used to have the wood in there, and here to help support the roof. I guess it rotted and came out. So this section here was used for a generator room. You can still see the steel like mounting floor bases in there. The generator at the time that I guess powered the whole facility was all underground. It's crazy cool. They had all that. I didn't even know, like I thought they would have just had like power mapped in from up top, but because this was like a fort kind of lockdown place, I guess, they needed their own power. That was another generator room here too. Original tools used when they dug this all out. Oh, so there was multiple generators down here then. So maybe they had generators down here that were powering things up top too. Oh, this is nuts. This is like my height though here. That's kind of nice. Oh, look, rocks they couldn't dig out. There, look.
Yeah.
It's left over from what the electrical wire used to run on. The petty officers' room. So like the barracks, I guess.
They slept.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Look at all the crystallization from the calcium and water seeping through the walls. That's crazy. What's even crazier is down here. That looks eerie as. I want to know what's down there. Doesn't say don't go. I'm gonna just peek.
No, this is emergency exit. Like the emergency exit for now.
This is the emergency exit?
Yeah, that's what it says.
Yo, that's some real tunnel stuff. Was that the emergency exit back in the day though?
Maybe, but just,
It looks like it.
It says emergency exit.
So like if we ever need to escape, you can get out this way?
Yeah.
Interesting.
You can test that. You can press.
No, I'm fine. I'm not pushing. I wouldn't do that. What area is this? Artists' rendering of the petty officers' room. Oh, okay. It's a rendering of what they think it used to look like. Whoa, man.
What?
This has started growing because of the light there.
Right.
That's kind of cool. Just because of that light they installed, it started growing stuff. Oh, look here too. Yeah, it's getting pretty low here.
Go down, lower.
I'm getting down low. Look at the fan. Oh, look. I want to look out there. So this was probably one of the old entrances. That's crazy. It just goes out to the side of the mountain. It's kind of cool. Wow. That's sick.
Oh, so that was the emergency exit, I think.
Yeah. You can see back in the day that was used too. All these tunnels, like, I just wonder what it was used for, you know? Ducking, ducking, ducking. It's a little more shallower through here. There's like gunshots and stuff in the floor. This looks crazy. It's so surreal. That's really what it is, it's surreal. Yeah, we saw that from the other side before. It's just interesting to see this kind of stuff. So this was definitely a surreal experience. It's crazy to think that like this was like the last stand for the Japanese Navy, like here in Japan during the time when Okinawa got taken over. And it's just, yeah, I don't really know how else to describe it except surreal. May, what would you say? Kind of interesting for you to see this kind of history, or?
Yeah, it gets you thinking.
Gets you thinking, like makes you appreciate things a lot more, especially in this time with stuff going on in the world. But it's just crazy. It's crazy to think about. Oh wow, it takes us back up out of here. Huh.
We missed the whole section.
Yeah.